Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Storage, right? Sometimes it's really hard to find, but that's what's great about this portable storage tent from YardStash. What's great about it is the construction is nice and thick, so it'll hold up to the elements, it'll hold up to the really hot sun. The bottom is really low to the ground where the zipper is, so you can roll your thing right in and roll it right back out when you need to. And it's a nice size. It actually serves really well for a larger size trike that we have that's really hard to store, but it keeps it protected, it keeps it stored, it keeps it out of the elements. Also, what I like about it was easy to put together, took a few minutes. If you put together any kind of tent, you're able to do this quite easily. The stakes are nice and solid too. We have hard ground in some of the spots in our yard, so I was able to drive those in with a hammer. They didn't bend, they weren't flimsy, they stayed nice and sturdy, and it keeps it in place. The other thing that I like about it too is it is portable. It comes with a portable bag, you fold it up nice, you stow the rods, and you're able to take it with you someplace. So if you need to store a bike outside on vacation, it keeps it protected and out of the elements. So that's what I liked about this portable storage tent from YardStash, and that's my point of view.